Earlier today, Brie was promoting one of Nicole and Brizee products where Birdie interrupts her and was trying to tease Brie. Brie also told that Birdie tries to pull her hairs, even BudBud reaches to her front hairs and mess them.
But it really helps to prevent your hair from all the breakage and keep it strong, especially when you have like this little one. Yeah, we see you, Bird, always pulling on mommy's hair, or BudBud really going after my hair, especially like the little ones. Oh, what is it? Yeah. Look at her, see? What? But, so you really have to check out, that's why I'm obsessed with their core line. Oh, Bird! You little silly kids. Also make sure, too, to check out the conditioner as well, the one that we did when we were baking.
This mama and daughter duo is fan favorite. Have a look at cute conversation of Birdie and Brie at the end.
What's your favorite color?
Pink and purple and green and green.
Wow, and what's your favorite animal?
A unicorn.
Oh. And tell everyone what you love your mommy.
I love my mommy so that I can just do.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Nikki shared this video of Matteo in park with hicolugo carrier.
See, do we get spoiled because do we change up our strollers with the outfits we wear? That is shaking. As you guys know, all we ever used to include strollers.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Also check these videos on the screen.